Hello everyone. You've seen me create white face mask using a white long sleeve top, and this one now is a red long sleeve top. As you can see, there is a piece on top right that used to be attached to the sleeve of this long sleeve top, and in the bottom right, the one with the white cloth inserted inside the mask is the other side of the sleeve. So you can see as you can see how it looks like as a face mask, and the other one that used to be attached but it's already cut also. This is where I cut it, and this one will go behind your head, and this one too in between the ears. And the beauty of this is having this, you will be able to do this as a double ply or two ply mask by inserting it inside once you've worn it already. So again, this is part of my spring cleaning, and I'm ready to let go of this long sleeve top and I've converted it to a sleeveless turtleneck top because the sleeves are usable as my face mask. I've done white face mask, a blue face mask, and now it's red, so it's patriotic, and also so I know which one I'm gonna wear after the red, then the white, then the blue, and so on. This is 100% washable and something that you can easily do yourself also. Thank you.